This video demonstrates how to register for an account using the DES portal. When navigating the DES homepage, you will see 3 portal options: CBE, Grants, and Compliance. Below these options, you'll find the Login section where you can enter your username and password. To begin creating your DES account, select the Register as a new user option and follow the prompts to complete the registration process. On the homepage, select the Register as new user option. Enter the required information including your first name, last name, email address and username, which must be your email address. Please then enter a 10-digit password with 1 uppercase letter and 1 number. Again, the password must be 10 characters. Once filled out, click Register at the bottom to complete this step and you have now successfully created a DES account. If you are having issues with logging in or registration in general, please use the Submit Case feature. This will create a ticket with DES support if you encounter issues during registration. Thank you for viewing. Please contact DSLBD support for additional questions.